Hello and welcome to session 9 of Everyone's an Artist by Saturday art class. In our previous session, we learned about what it means to feel shy and what can we do to overcome our shyness. So before we begin our session today, let's quickly make sure that we have all the material that we'll be requiring. An A4 size plain paper, paints, crayons, brushes, any art supplies that you require. Make sure you are creating your art in a space approved by people at your home. We have 4 norms. We're going to quickly go over them. Be seated in a quiet place if possible. Have all your material ready with you. Complete the video in one sitting and watch the whole thing together. And complete the feedback quiz at the end of the video. In today's session, we're going to learn about how can I take care of myself when I'm bored. Now, bored is a word that I think everyone's very familiar with, but let's try and understand what we're going to get out of the session. We're going to learn the meaning of bored, we're going to learn what makes us feel bored, and we're also going to learn about what we can do when we feel bored. So what is bored? Bored is a feeling when you do not like doing anything or you feel like there's nothing fun or exciting to do. It is a feeling that makes us feel lazy or can also make us want to do anything when there are things to do. It's when you're not having fun. So we have a few keywords to keep in mind. Let's just go through them. Tired, not having the energy to do anything. Uninterested, not finding joy or interest in anything. Imagine, thinking differently. Creative, using your imagination and your thoughts to make things. So what makes us feel bored and why do we feel bored? Boredom happens when you do not find something that you are doing very interesting, which is also very normal. You may feel bored if it is break time and you have no one to play with, you are watching TV and a show that you do not like, you're going on a long drive and you don't have any toys to play with. Or you're sitting in class and what the teacher is saying you're not finding very interesting. Or sometimes when you're reading a book, you're not finding that book very interesting and you're just feeling bored. So how can you take care of yourself when you're bored? As usual, please remember that feeling bored is completely normal. We just need to teach ourselves to do something different and get out of the boredom and just be creative and spend our time well. So there are a lot of things that you can do. You can maybe talk to a friend, go out to play, change the book that you're reading, or actually practice what your teacher is teaching in class in order to change your activity. You can also change the show that you're watching or something on TV that you're not finding interesting. Or you can have a conversation with somebody about a topic that makes you feel interested. Sometimes even just taking a tiny nap for a certain amount of time can really help you just overcome the boredom. But let's think of another way, a more everyone's an artist way of how we can try and overcome boredom by learning about an artist. And again, this week the artist is you, and we're going to learn about ourselves. Find a picture in an old newspaper or magazine. So you may have a lot of newspapers or any old magazines lying at home. Get them all out. This is the picture we are going to use to engage in drawing whatever we want because we are feeling bored today. So just any picture that you find in an old magazine or newspaper is what you're going to use to create art on. Start drawing shapes or figures around the photo that you have chosen. You can use color pencils, crayons, paints, pens, anything that you have or you want. You can also stick different colored papers from any extra papers that you have lying at home. You can use other pieces of newspaper, any colored paper, anything that you have, you can also stick that around. This is what we've created. So it has taken me some time to just be creative, be a little innovative in the ideas that we've used to create this kind of artwork. But it's also just something that if I may be feeling bored, I know there are resources and just old newspapers or magazines around me that you can go, fetch and just create some art out of it. So let's reflect on what we learned today just to understand the feeling of being bored. We created and recycled old magazines and newspapers to create some art. We use the process of using shapes, sticking extra material, and just being innovative on one picture that we found in these newspapers or magazines. How did you feel? Did you feel bored while doing it, or do you feel like it's an activity that you can use and help yourself to overcome boredom? What were the thoughts that were going on in your mind? And finally, what have you learned about being bored from this activity? That there are different situations that you may feel bored in and which I may not, or your friend may not. Everyone has different situations in which they feel like they are bored and they're not feeling interested, and that's completely fine. But we have the power to overcome this and get ourselves out of the boredom that we may be experiencing. So feeling bored is completely normal. We need to keep that in mind, that there are different ways in which we can overcome boredom in whichever way we feel works for us. What makes you bored may not make me bored. What makes me bored may not make my friend bored. But that's completely dependent on a person, and all you have the power to change the situation and do something that can help you overcome it. Thank you. We'll see you for the next session. Please do not forget to complete the quiz at the end of the session. Thank you.